In this video we can talk about top 5 Domo alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Q channel. Today, we'll explore the top 5 alternatives to Domo, a powerful business intelligence and data visualization platform. In this video, you will discover the top 5 remarkable alternatives including Tableau, PowerBi, Qlick Q, Sisense, and good data that will take your data analysis and reporting to new heights. First up, we have Tableau. Tableau is a leading data visualization and business intelligence tool known for its intuitive interface and powerful analytics capabilities. It offers features like data visualization, embedded analytics, advanced management, and reporting and statistics. With Tableau, you can easily create interactive dashboards and reports, and gain valuable insights from your data. Its drag-and-drop functionality is one of the standout features amongst many. Next on our list is Microsoft, PowerBi. Developed by Microsoft, PowerBi is a robust business analytics tool that enables you to visualize and share insights across your organization. It offers features like custom visualization, import Excel data, and Q and a question box. With its seamless integration with other Microsoft products, PowerBi allows you to effortlessly connect to various data sources and collaborate with your team. One of its standout features is its ability to create interactive and dynamic dashboards that provide real-time insights. Moving on to our third alternative, we have Qlick Q. Qlick Q is a data discovery and visualization platform that empowers you to explore and analyze data on your own. It offers features like data streaming, application automation, alerting and action, and data sources. Its associative data model allows for dynamic data exploration, enabling you to uncover hidden insights and make data-driven decisions. One of its standout features is its seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem, enabling you to leverage familiar tools like Excel and PowerPoint. Our fourth alternative is Sisense. Sisense is a comprehensive data analytics platform that empowers you to easily explore and analyze complex data sets, transforming insights into actionable decisions. It offers features like embedding, Git integration, data modeling, and data visualization. With its powerful engine, you can process large datasets quickly and create interactive dashboards with ease. One of the standout features of Sisense is its in-chip technology, which allows for lightning-fast data processing and real-time analytics. Last but not least, we have Good Data. Good Data is a cloud-based business intelligence platform that focuses on delivering actionable insights to organizations. It offers features like embedded analytics, data management, and ad hoc reporting. With its seamless integration with other Microsoft products, PowerBi allows you to effortlessly connect to various data sources and collaborate with your team. One of its standout features is its ability to create interactive and dynamic dashboards that provide real-time insights. Compared to Domo, Tableau offers a similar data visualization and business intelligence experience with its intuitive interface and powerful analytics capabilities. PowerBi, on the other hand, provides seamless integration with Microsoft products, making it a preferred choice for organizations already utilizing Microsoft's ecosystem. Qlick Q stands out with its associative data model and user-driven data exploration, allowing to uncover hidden insights. Sisense simplifies complex data analysis with its comprehensive business intelligence software. Lastly, there's Good Data that focuses on delivering actionable insights through its AI-powered analytics engine, offering a unique and innovative approach to video creation. After considering the features and strengths of the alternatives to Domo, we recommend Tableau is the best option. Tableau offers powerful data visualization capabilities, an intuitive interface, and a large user community. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, Tableau provides a user-friendly experience that allows you to derive meaningful insights from your data. That wraps up our video on the top 5 Domo alternatives. We hope you found this information helpful in your search for the perfect solution for your data analytics needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.